Ever wondered how Craftsman became the go-to name for tools in every DIYer's garage? Let's take a quick trip through its legacy, and trust me, it's a story worth hearing. Back in 1927, Arthur Barrows from Sears made a bold move. He bought the Craftsman name for just $500. Yep, only $500. From the Marion Craftsman Tool Company. At first, Craftsman was all about quality, setting up that good, better, best lineup. Farmers were the early fans, but that was just the beginning. As the years rolled on, Craftsman upped their game. Chrome-plated tools, tougher handles, and a focus on durability. By World War II, their tools were everywhere, from barns to the battlefield. And it didn't stop at hand tools. In 1934, they rolled out lawnmowers, then riding mowers in 1953. But here's what really set them apart, that unbeatable warranty. Break a tool? Craftsman had your back with a repair or replacement, no questions asked. Now, Sears never actually made the tools. They worked with companies like Stanley and Western Forge to do the heavy lifting. Fast forward to the 2000s, though, and things got bumpy for Sears. In 2017, Stanley Black & Decker swooped in and bought Craftsman, giving the brand a fresh shot at greatness. Today, Craftsman's still here, evolving for every new generation of makers and fixers like you and me. If you found this deep dive helpful, hit that like button, share it with your DIY crew, and subscribe for more stories behind the tools you trust. See you in the next one.